In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a menu in WordPress Elementor. We'll start inside your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left panel, hover over Appearance and click Menus. In the menu structure area, give your new menu a clear name so you can recognize it later. Under Menu Settings, you can enable Auto Add Pages if you want new top-level pages to appear on this menu automatically. Next, choose where the menu should display: header, footer, both, or none if you only want to use it inside a page builder. Click Create Menu and give the page a moment to reload so all the options become active. Now look at the left sidebar under Add Menu Items. You'll see groups like Pages, Posts, Custom Links, Categories, and if applicable, WooCommerce endpoints. Click each section to expand it and reveal the items you can add. Check the box next to the items you want, or use Select All if that makes sense for you. Then click Add to Menu and wait for the page to refresh. Your selected items will appear on the right under Menu Structure. To fine-tune each item, click the small arrow on its right. Here you can edit the navigation label to control what visitors see, assign a parent item to create a drop-down submenu, adjust the order to set the sequence, or remove an item if you change your mind. Choosing a parent is what creates those clean, layered menus your users can expand. When everything looks right, click Save Menu to lock in your changes. With the menu created, open a page in the editor you'll use with Elementor. In the Elementor panel on the left, search for and add the WordPress menu widget to your page. Once it's placed and selected, look at the settings on the left. Under the Content tab, find the menu dropdown and pick the menu you just created. If the preview doesn't update right away, give it a second to load. Then, customize the remaining options under Content, Style, and Advanced to match your layout and branding, such as alignment, spacing, and typography. When you're happy with the setup, click Update or Publish in the top right to make it live. That's it. Your WordPress menu is built, assigned, and displayed through Elementor. If you ever add new pages or want to reorganize, return to Appearance, Menus to edit the structure, then revisit the page if you need design tweaks.